Right, so that's the whole tin. I don't suppose she'll do that all in one go. I think she thinks she's been fed already, because look, contentment washing her face. Come here. Hey, come on. Come on. Oi. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can't hear me, can you? Come on. Come here. Come here. It's here. Come on. You know where to go. Come on. Come on. It's the olive oil. Lick, 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 lick. Look, where we're going. Here. It is fish. They don't eat it out of the bowl. It's got to be picked up and dragged, so I'll pop it there. She can pull it out over her mat. There you go. Yeah. Yum yums.